Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of Eating on a Budget. Today I'm making a stick-to-your-ribs Mexican-style cheesy chicken and rice casserole for $9.73. It's extremely easy to make, filling, and delicious. So let's get started. Here's everything you'll need for the recipe. 3.5 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 pound bag of rice, a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, a can of kidney beans, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 8 ounces of Mexican blend cheese, and a packet of taco seasoning. The first thing I did was remove the skin, debone the chicken, and cut it up into bite-sized pieces. And now I'm going to add it to a large skillet over medium-high heat. And if you'll notice, I didn't add any oil to the pan. I left some of the excess fat on the chicken, that way it cooks in its own fat and adds flavor. Spread the chicken out and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the chopped up onion and the bell pepper. Give it a good mix and let everything cook for another 2 minutes. Then add the diced tomatoes with green chilies, the can of kidney beans with the juice, the packet of taco seasoning. Normally I would not use or recommend packaged seasoning mixes, but remember, we're doing this on a strict budget, and some people don't have the spices at home or the extra money to buy them. So by all means, if you have the spices at home, make your own. Give it all a good mix. And now I'm going to add water, and I simply added water to both cans for a total of 30 ounces of water. And then give it a good mix and bring it up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, add the rice. Today I'm using brown rice because it's a little healthier, but if you want to use white rice, that'll work too. But you'll need to add 1 more cup of water since the white rice takes more water to cook than the brown rice does. Also, brown rice takes a little longer to cook than the white rice, so the cooking time will be decreased if you're using white rice. Wow, now I'm even confused. Then give it all a good mix and then pour it into a 9x13 casserole dish. I know what you're thinking, this looks more like chicken and rice soup, but trust me on this one. Spread everything out into a nice even layer and then cover very tightly with aluminum foil. Then this goes into a preheated 375 degree oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour at 375 degrees, take it out of the oven and remove the aluminum foil. Give it a good mix, and as you can tell, all the excess liquid has been absorbed. If all the water has not been absorbed, place it back into the oven for 5 to 10 more minutes. Now add half of the bag of cheese and give it a good mix. Now sprinkle a nice even layer of the remaining cheese on top. And now place it into a 400 degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes or until bubbly and golden brown. And then let it rest for about 10 minutes before serving. And then scoop out as big or as little serving as you like. And we ended up getting 8 servings this size out of this casserole dish, and a little bit of this goes a long ways. It's very filling. And there you have it, a very hearty and delicious Mexican-style cheesy chicken and rice casserole that will feed a family of 4 with plenty of leftovers or a small army for $9.73. Thank you all very much for watching. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your family and friends. And I'll see you soon.